Typically, when a company is looking for IT services in the market, they are asking their friends, other business owners, other executives, who they trust, who they use, even who they've used and don't like. One of the things about our process to onboard a customer from the sales process is that we're really intentional about understanding how the business operates, what they do, how they make money. IT, when it's done improperly, can be really disruptive to a business. When it's done right, it works behind the scenes, and it's a business enabler to help you really do more with your business and be more efficient and effective through that process. When you change an IT provider or you make a switch from an internal resource to an outsourced company, there's a lot of trust that has to be transferred to that new party. And it's really important to be assured that you have chosen the right partner. One of the things that NetStandard does is we have a really easy process to onboard you. It's proven. We talk about it in our sales process, but we're also audited by a third party. It's called the SOC 2 Type 2 that really measures us against the promises we make to customers, and that we can demonstrate that a third party is looking at the promises we make and that we're able to deliver them. That's followed up by typical things that customers are worried about is the time to support. Am I going to get good support? Are my people, when they're not able to use our technology, are they going to get their problem solved quickly? So we look at metrics and we make those public to our customers. Things like customer satisfaction, the time to solve tickets. Those are really important metrics on the day-to-day issues that your staff will face and making sure those get resolved. The next part is transitioning into more technology strategy and leadership, and that's led by a VCIO who really is, your outsourced IT director. They own that, and they help you move your technology forward to help the business do more. Through that process and understanding the business, we make sure that we're really transparent, and we also focus on risk and understanding what things the business is doing that introduce cybersecurity risk to the business so that you don't get caught by surprise. One of the biggest things that we see from customers is they unknowingly have risks in their environment that they aren't aware of. And through our process, we point those out and make sure that everything's an informed decision in that process so that they can understand their risk and make a proactive decision when choosing not only an IT provider, but mitigating those risks for the business. At NetStandard, we make it really easy to engage us. From the time that you identify a need, you'll reach out to us and you'll get in contact with our sales team. From that time, we'll do an initial onboarding call just to do a high-level check to make sure we're a good fit for you and you're a good fit for us and we're aligned. Once it's aligned, we go to the next phase where we do a discovery call where we talk about really in-depth what your business does, what your needs are, and what NetStandard can do to help solve those needs. From there, after discovery, we go to a presentation where we talk about what we found, what we see as your needs, and then we give you a proposal. And then from there, once you decide, we have a really easy onboarding process that takes usually on average 30 days to get you onboarded and completely brought into our NetStandard support process. And then the real work begins from there.